Okay, let's have a look at Inpainting on Affinity Photo. Now I've dragged an image here from the assets folder from Pixabay actually, and it's as you can see a very nice looking drink sitting on the beach. Now what we want to do is get rid of that glass and that drink, and the straw is going to be a bit difficult. Now we need the Inpainting brush. So over here, let's find the Inpainting brush. There's the Inpainting brush tool right there. Too simple. Opacity, width, do we need? We don't need an image quite that, a brush quite that size. That really is a little bit large. So let's drop that back to about 100 pixels. There we go, a much smaller brush. And it's as simple as this. Draw over the straw. Draw over the drink. Now you can go right outside the boundaries, but I have found that if you're fairly careful with those boundaries, because you can come back and fix it. Now don't lift your finger off the mouse button while you're doing this. We'll take that out there and remove the shadow. Go back, remove the bottom of the glass. Now don't forget it, although it's red and the Inpainting brush is red, we just go up there, get rid of that and the bit in the middle. Now if I release the brush, you'll see up the top of the screen here, Inpainting brush is slowly doing its job, and there's the glass is now gone. What could be simpler than that? And then it's easy. Save your photo, do what you like with it, put more images in there. Now if you've got a little bit of, you can see the sand has been smoothed over there. The Inpainting tool not quite got the background right there, but that's alright, because you can clone a bit of sand from there, put it over there, and your beach is as smooth as it ever was. Very nice. That's all there is to it. Inpainting in Affinity Photo. The desktop version. Don't forget to look for the iPad version. If you're using the iPad version, I also have the iPad how to do this sitting here on YouTube.